I'm Jennifer Spooner, and I'm a tax partner here at Cross Fernandez and Riley. I also am the Director of Tax, so I run the tax department. The Section 179D was put in place to allow people that own buildings to be able to take a deduction for building or making retrofits that were more energy efficient. It also allows for designers to be able to take the deduction when they are working with an entity such as a government entity that would not be paying taxes. Anybody that owns real estate, owns a building that they've acquired after 2006 or that has made retrofits, changes to their buildings, would qualify for this. The benefits to the owner, so if you own the building, you would, in the year that you complete the retrofits or the building is placed in service, you would get a tax deduction on your return. And the deduction is calculated by the square footage of the building times a maximum of $1.80 per square feet. Yes, and this is a great area. I have to say I'm a cheerleader when it comes to this because this is something that architects are not aware of. There's a provision in the code that allows you for designers to be able to take the deduction if the entity that they're working with is like a government entity, so it's somebody that's not able to, doesn't pay taxes. And so for them, it's a deduction that they normally would not have. An example of an architect or an engineer that was able to take the deduction is we have a client that was actually the designer on a school, and they had completed the work in 2010. We had not filed their returns yet, and so they were able to take a deduction for over $150,000. And in addition to that, they have for 2011, they are having another study being done that is worth $500,000. So for the designer, this is cash in their pocket.